guys, welcome to inside the house. It's quite an interesting house, in a nice place, which I'm sure you're going to love when you see it, or if you have not already. I haven't decided how I would edit it yet, so you might see it at the beginning or towards the end. But this house is more the location and where it is, because it's beautiful. Now some nice little pieces still left in here. Looks like it has started to get cleared out, to be fair. And just look at the floor. So obviously it's got wooden flooring along here. And then it looks like, what is this? And it's obviously got this lino that's laid on top. That's interesting. You've got like an old fireplace that is stuck there. Sort of move into the next room. We started with the upstairs because we figured we'd end it downstairs so we can get out. But it looks like things have just been sort of piled up. There looks like old plant pots. Another vase there, some lighting. And these old chairs and tables and that. That cooler. Oh no, that is a toilet. A portable toilet. You notice it's quite dark in here. And that is because every window has got a shutter on it. Look at that old bed.
It's amazing how like it's. Look, imagine having a mattress on that would literally like.
They last quite a while, don't they, these old beds? And then you've got another fireplace right in this room. And I can imagine in the winters this place is cold. Can't you?
Yeah.
This place would be cold in the winter. It's roasting outside now, to be honest, and it's quite cool in here, which is quite nice.
I like the windows, I think they're beautiful.
They have got nice windows. If they weren't all shuttered up, I bet you there'd be some proper light. These beds, all these metal frames, this bed frame here, it reminds me of something you see in a hospital or, yeah, prison or an asylum. They've all got wheels on, which is crazy. This is the carpet lino.
Oh my god, I love that.
Yeah, look, it's all lino down there. Rose petal, but look, you see like obviously leaks.
The little lampshades, so cool.
I know.
Don't get little lampshades like that now, do you? They're all...
Not a lot.
Tell you what, we need lampshades like that in our kitchen.
We do actually. And obviously the hot water tank there. And the cylinder down at the bottom. I don't know, this looks like it might have been part of a bench or something like that.
I thought a bench.
Is that?
Then I think
that's glass.
It goes in the wall.
Yeah, that looks like that's stained glass. It's quite a nice little piece.
There's like little pans.
Yeah, I've seen them
in the other houses that in the little bedside drawers.
I think they're bedpans.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, I think that's where they go to toilet.
Oh, wow.
You've got another bed in here. Is there? Wow, look at this. What is that? This is like a wire mesh.
Oh my god.
And it's gone through.
Do you know what? It looks like it's been raised.
It does, doesn't it?
Because that bed, that's metal. That's wooden.
Yeah, I know. I don't quite understand that. But if anyone here on the channel knows why that is like it is, I've not seen that. Why there's a wire mesh there, and like Megan said, that you can see it's all like a wooden frame with wire mesh on the metal bed frame, and then you've got the bedpan. The bedpan's there. So you've got another one of those lampshades all hanging down.
I love the do you know what? I love the wallpaper.
Yeah, it's quite nice, isn't it?
Really pretty. You don't get wallpaper like that anymore.
It's got electrical cable running down it, that's why it's not been removed.
Ah. So
And the windows, which I can only presume they're I reckon they're smashed by birds, yeah.
or kids might have thrown stones.
Yeah, you won't get kids up here, would you? Let's be honest. This place is right out in the sticks, and you'll see what come through it like that. Big old red door there. So, come through here. I can only presume it would have been like a living room. Look at that. That fireplace. Love it. Still got a brush up there, little horseshoe. But it has been cleared out, hasn't it?
Look at the curtain hole. You've got actual curtain rings in there. They actually look like safety.
They are safety pins holding it up, don't they?
Are they? I thought
Yeah.
they looked like it, and I didn't want to sound stupid and
No,
think,
I think they are safety pins.
or they're like curtain like hooks. We just
Might be
didn't know.
may have actually could be curtains. I thought they were safety pins as well, to be fair. But look at the size of the window. Huge. The view you must have got from it. He's still got some little bits here by the door. I have no idea what that is. I don't know what these are.
Oh, man.
Oh, some little pots, flower pots and bottles.
How strange.
So I would assume this probably would have been like the dining room. I would have said the kitchen actually as well because of the old auger that's there. But then, yeah, this must have been the kitchen surely. Because you still got some of the shelving over here. What's this? Vitalite best ever taste sunflower spread. A kilogram of the stuff. There ain't no date on it though. And on the old pipe one. Looks like something, it would have been a dresser
Yeah.
or something stood up there. You can still see
Definitely.
the marking out of it.
Some of them brooms that look like a heart.
Uh,
I've seen that in another house.
we got here a few little pieces still. Keys. Got a bottle opener. Got like a mouse trap down there. Or what looks like a mouse trap anyway. Still got these little pieces up here. Hoya. No idea. That's some bits of plates. Little records. There you've got a masher there. Do we know when this could have been abandoned? I don't know. Don't know if we will know.
There's a newspaper here, but it's from 2020. I reckon someone's
Yeah, someone's come in and cleared it up, the old batteries. Someone's come in and cleared it.
There's
Gutted as well, because this would have been amazing.
under her.
There's a box under there full of old little bits as well. Oh, we've got a couple of canes in there. And the stick building. What is that? Basket work and stick building. These little canes.
Oh, look at the light. It's probably like bush job.
Yeah, no, I don't know. I think that's been done afterwards, to be honest.
No, look at it.
And you've got one open window down here. Yeah, so looks like you've got ropes, straps on there. That's the back door. And then underneath the stairs, And I guess what would be the pantry, which has still got probably the most bits in it, to be honest. Which aren't bad. Like a couple of flasks. We got their new jam raspberry. I ain't getting a date off it though. That's the problem.
I hate those with maybe a date on here.
What is it?
I don't know. Beef bovril.
Oh, bovril.
Beef and... No.
Little horseshoe there. Everything's sort of rusted through.
Oh, it's got 66.
Oh God no. What is in that?
That's homemade.
Gale's honey. That will last.
Oh yeah, it smells.
What's that? Livestock feed, pure cod liver oil.
This has got to have a date on it.
Got lots of tins in that as well. And some bits and bobs up here. Looks like a little bird nest there. Could be where that bird come and got me on the way out. On the way in, yeah, bird flew, brushed my shoulder.
I didn't even see it.
Can I scoot over here? So we'll get some of these bits along here as well. There's quite a few pieces left here. Some golden syrup there, look at them, they're all rusted through. It's that super gloss paint. And you got like the bovril, wild blueberries. Another flask. They like their flask, didn't they?
Oh, I guess if they
Marmalade for the nuts and bolts.
were farmers, it'd be out, wouldn't they?
Processed peas. And then a load of jars and up here. Another load of honey. Wow. We've got more stuff in here. Look.
Oh.
A little diary.
1993.
1993, okay.
Really good.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Oops.
It's minging.
Oh yeah, 1993. Nice. Got like little tools in that here. They're all rusted through.
Is that like an animal thing?
No, I don't think so. Well, I'm not 100% sure though. Got like a little saw here. And what's this called again? Butler sink, isn't it?
Yes.
Full of jars. Little baby cup. Wow. And the windows obviously been smashed. And then this had been held up and reinforced by this wood here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for the front. And voila, I think we'll go out.
So guys, welcome back to the car. Hope you enjoyed that explore. Unfortunately they were starting to bag things up and everything like that, but we still enjoyed it, so we hope you guys did too.
It's in a unique place, isn't it? So
it's in a place, it's literally in the middle of nowhere, like no houses around, nothing, just hills, sheep, lambs
and clouds.
and clouds, yeah.
So yeah, unfortunately we couldn't bring you a lot in there, but on to the next one. And
Yeah.
I'll catch you on there. But if you're new, subscribe, hit that like button, drop us a comment, let us know what you thought.
And for everyone who's returning, thank you so much once again. We really appreciate it.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. Hope you guys are happy too.
Bye.